folks, Steven here with 501 Parts. Just wanted to show you a quick video here on changing out the starter relay in a Rhino 660. So this particular Rhino was brought into my shop. The customer had a complaint of it won't start. So first thing I do is pop the hood, check the battery. This is not good. A lot of corrosion here on this battery. I've never seen a battery this bad before. Definitely did not maintain this battery. But as far as the starter relay, this is your starter relay. You got two 10-amp fuses on it. This wire goes down to your starter. This wire goes over to the positive cable of your battery. To swap this out, you just pull it off the rubber mount. You got two 10mm bolts right here. Take these off, unplug this, plug the new one in, and that's all you have to do. I would recommend, if you ever find your battery in this bad a shape, first you shouldn't find it in this bad a shape for one, but if you do, this battery is definitely beyond repair. But I would recommend putting some dielectric grease or terminal protector on the terminals, and actually check it every now and again and make sure it's not corroded. Alright guys, hope this helps you.